Hello everyone, myself Jhumki Ghosh and welcome to my YouTube channel Current Affairs Bucket. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to share current affairs of 17th to 24th April 2020. Please subscribe my channel so whenever I come up with a new video, you guys get notified. So let's start. Number 1. India has received how many testing kits, including rapid antibody test kits, from 2 Chinese firms for better monitoring and surveillance? The answer is 5 lakh. India has received 5 lakh testing kits, including rapid antibody test kits, from 2 Chinese firms for better monitoring and surveillance. Okay. Number 2. Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Government of India remains in close coordination with state governments, district authorities and Gram Panchayats to ensure that lockdown conditions are non-violated and norms of social distancing are followed. Who is the current Ministry of Panchayati Raj? The question is, who is the current Minister of Panchayati Raj? The answer is Narendra Singh Tomar. Narendra Singh Tomar is the current Ministry of Panchayat Raj. Okay. Number 3. On April 16, 2020, the Indian Army Chief issued directives to all the military cantonments, headquarters, establishment to strictly ensure no movement of forces till April 19, 2020. Who is the current Indian Army Chief? The question is, who is the current Indian Army Chief? The answer is Manoj Naravane. Number 4. State-owned Coal India Limited (CIL) is to deliberate on model bid documents for the development and operations of underground mines. How much percentage of Indian domestic coal production comes from CIL? The answer is 80%. 80% of Indian domestic coal production comes from CIL. Okay. The Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar addressed the National Conference of Kharif Crop 2020 through a video conference. So the question is, which of the following is not a Kharif crop? The answer is barley. Barley is not a Kharif crop. Okay. Number 6. Okay. The Union Home Ministry has issued an advisory stating that which app is not safe for private persons and entities. The answer is Zoom video conference app. Zoom video conference app is not safe for private persons and entities. Number 7. Industries operations in rural areas. Okay. Industries operations in rural areas, that is outside the limits of municipal corporation and municipalities, allowed to resume productions from which date? From which date? The answer is from April 20. From April 20. Number 8. 8. The Department of Science and Technology, that is DST, Government of India, developed which mobile applications, that is prepared and managed by the Survey of Indian, to help decision making during the COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is SAO. Number 9. The Government of India has announced which act a punishable offence under the Strict Disaster Management Act in its revised guidelines for lockdown issued to COVID-19. The answer is splitting in public. Number 10. Which country launched multiple short-range anti-ship cruise missiles into the sea when every country is fighting COVID-19? The answer is North Korea. North Korea has launched multiple short-range anti-ship cruise missiles into sea. Okay. Number 11. Which application has became the world's fastest app to reach 50 million downloads in just 13 days? The answer is Aroggo Setu. Number 12. Which institute has developed a compact solid-state sensor that can detect the heavy metal ions in water? The answer is Center for Nano and Soft Matter Science. Number 13. Which institute is currently developing an inactive virus vaccine for COVID-19? The answer is Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. Number 14. World Hemophilia Day was observed on which date? The answer is 17 April. Number 15. Who has been appointed as the new ambassador of World Wide Fund India's Environmental Educational Program? The answer is Vishwanathan Anand. The answer is Vishwanathan Anand. Number 16. The Reserve Bank of India released the 49th round of quarterly obicus of the manufacturing sector. What is the full form of obicus? The answer is full form of O is order. Okay, the question is what is the full form of O in obicus? The answer is order. The full form of obicus is Order Books, Innovators and Capacity Utilization Survey. Number 17. Which country held his annual funding to WHO? The answer is USA. USA held his annual funding to WHO. Number 18. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO shifted its testing faculty from Defense Research Development Establishment DRDE Gwalior to which institute? The answer is Institute of Nuclear Medicines and Allied Science, Delhi. Number 19. Which institute is to develop plasmonic semiconductor nanomaterials for the removal of toxic organic compounds from water by harvesting solar light? The answer is Institute of Advanced Science and Advanced Study and Science Technology. I repeat, Institute of Advanced Study in Science and Technology, Assam. Okay, is to develop plasmonic semiconductor nanomaterials for the removal of toxic organic compounds from water by harvesting solar lights. Number 20. Which state's chief minister announced that the doctors will conduct the clinical trial of plasma enrichment technique to treat severely ill coronavirus patients soon? The answer is Delhi. Number 21. Central Drug Standards Control Organization, that is CDSCO, has approved how many Indian firms for antibody rapid testing kits for testing COVID-19? The answer is 67. Number 22. Government appointed in committee, headed by IBBI, chairperson recommended setting up National Institute of Valuers. The government appointed M.S. Sau. Number 23. 20. Mobile phones, televisions, refrigerators, laptop and stationery items will be allowed to be sold through e-commerce platform like Amazon, Flipkart and Snapdeal from which date? Answer is from 20 April. From 20 April, the phones, televisions, refrigerators, laptop and stationery items will be delivered through e-commerce, Flipkart, Snapdeal. Okay. Number 24. Which state's CM inaugurated the online delivery website Chagat, which will facilitate doorstep delivery of fruits and vegetables? The answer is Chhattisgarh CM has inaugurated the online delivery app. Okay. 25. Which institute has developed a diagnostic test kit that can confirm COVID-19 in 2 hours at a low cost? The answer is Sri Chitra Thrinural Institute for Medical Science and Technology has developed a diagnostic test kit that can confirm COVID-19 in 2 hours at low cost. Number 26. Algerian author Alzile Bashwin wins 15,000 international prize for Arabic fiction. For which novel? The answer is The Spartan Code. 27. What is the name of mascot for the 4th Asian Para Games at Hangzhou in China in October 2020? The answer is Fei Fei. 28th question. Which institute designs workboard to deliver food medicines to COVID-19 patients in isolation wards without human interventions? The answer is IIT Roper. IIT Roper designs workboard to deliver food, medicines to COVID-19 patients in isolation wards without human interventions. Number 29. World Heritage Day is celebrated on which date? The answer is 18th April. 30. Union Health Minister Dr. Harish Vardhan had a detailed meeting with medical officials with Delhi medical superintendents of various hospitals in Delhi. Who is the current Health Minister of Delhi? The answer is Satyendra Kumar Jain. Satyendra Kumar Jain is the current Health Minister of Delhi. Which company announced the acquisition of the UK's most earning sporting motorcycles, Norton, for 16 millions by acquiring certain assets of Norton Motorcycle? The answer is TVS Motor Company. 23. 32. RBI announced how much special refinance facilities for NABARD SIDBI NHB. The answer is 50,000 crore. 33. Indian Premier League is delayed by how much time due to COVID-19? So we all know it's suspended indefinitely. So 34. So question number 34 is Indian Council of Medical Research recently issued an advisory monitoring the protocol for using rapid antibody test kit in COVID-19 hotspots areas. Across states to use these kits in the affected areas. Who is the Secretary and Director General of ICMR? That is Indian Council of Medical Research. Okay. The answer is Balram Bhargava. Balram Bhargava is the General Secretary and Director of Indian Council of Medical Research. Question number 35. Which state has decided that the health workers who are directly engaged in the treatment of corona patients will be given a service amount of rupees 10,000 every month in Hornians? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Number 36. Question number 36. Which institute made available high protein biscuits to the corona affected patients in the All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi? The answer is CSIR, Central Food Technological Research Institute, has made available high protein biscuits to the corona affected patients. Okay. Number 37. Department of Posts plan to extend the payment of compensation of how much rupees to all postal employee, including Gramin Dak Sevaks employed to the corona disease? The answer is 10 lakh rupees. Question number 38. Currently, government permissions is mandatory for events coming for which of the following two countries? The answer is Bangladesh and Pakistan. Question number 39 is RBI exempts accounts with moratorium benefits for assets recognizing norms for how many days? The answer is 90 days. The 14th question number is OIS, that is Organizations of Islamic Cooperation. OIC. Okay. Organization of Islamic Corporations urges India to take urgent steps to protect the rights of its minority Muslim communities. Where is the headquarters of OIS? The answer is Saudi Arab Jihad. Question number 41. Chinese Launch Day is observed on which date? The answer is Chinese Language Day is observed on 20th April. Question number 42 is BMW Group President and CEO passed away on 20th April due to cardiac arrest. Who is he? मतलब उसका नाम क्या है? What is his name? The answer is Rudraj Singh. Okay. Question number 43. Question number 43. Which institute has developed bug sniffer, a sensitive and low-cost sensor to rapidly detect bacteria? The answer is Agarkar Research Institute, ARI Pune, has developed bug sniffer, a sensitive and low-cost sensor to rapidly detect bacteria. Question number 44 is which institute has discovered hundreds of lithium-rich giant stars which proves lithium is being produced in the stars and accounts for its abundance in the interstellar medium? The answer is Indian Institute of Astrophysics. Indian Institute of Astrophysics. 45 number question is, what is the name of the Indian American who has been appointed to the United States National Science Board? The answer is Sudarshanam Babu. Sudarshanan Babu. Okay. Question number 46. 46 is, who is the Ministry of Agriculture and Farm Welfare? The answer is Narendra Singh Tomar. Narendra Singh Tomar is a Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Question number 47. Civil Service Day is observed on which date in India? Now, the answer is 21st April. 21st April is observed as a Civil Service Day. Question number 48. So, 48th number question is, Indian Minister of Health and Family Welfare Dr. Harish Vardhan launched which platform that aims to establish a direct channel to communicate with millions of Indians amid the pandemic? The answer is COVID Indian Shiva. Question number 49. So 49 number question is, who has been appointed as the secretary to President Ramnath Kovind? The answer is Kapil Dev Tripathi. Kapil Dev Tripathi has been appointed as the secretary to President Ramnath Kovind. 50 number question. And the last question, it is the last question. The Economic Advisor Council of the 15th Finance Commission has been scheduled to meet on 23-24th April 2020. The question is, who is the chairman of the 15th Finance Commission? The answer is N.K. Singh. N.K. Singh. I have completed 50 questions in this video. So I hope this information will help you. Please keep watching and thank you so much. Hello everyone, myself Jhumki Ghosh and welcome to my YouTube channel Current Affairs Bucket. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to share